CD3, track 47.
1.
I was in a hurry and I needed a memory stick to copy my presentation. I found one on the table in the living room and I thought it was mine, the one with some music on it. I didn't check but cleaned it completely. The terrible thing is it was my dad's memory stick and he had really important documents on it. He was so angry with me.
2.
I had to finish a project for my science class. I downloaded some pictures and wrote a text on my computer, but I didn't remember to save it. Imagine my horror when the screen suddenly went blue and the computer restarted. I thought my presentation was lost forever. Fortunately, the autosave option was switched on, so I didn't need to start again from the beginning.
3.
Last week, my friend told me about that great app for making music mixes. I wanted to check it out, so I downloaded it onto the computer I was working on. Unfortunately, my teacher saw me doing it. She was quite angry with me because we mustn't install any apps without her permission.
4.
A few days ago, I had to finish my presentation for the IT class. My mum made me a cup of tea and put it on my desk. I knocked it over by accident, and it went onto some files and also on the keyboard. I ran to the shop and got a new one so I could finish my work. I spent all my pocket money as a result.
5.
Last week, I was playing a game on my computer when the mouse suddenly stopped working. It was late in the evening, so all the shops were closed and I couldn't simply go and buy a new mouse. But I really wanted to finish the game. I asked my sister to lend me her mouse because she's got a touchpad on her laptop. She wasn't very happy about the idea, but in the end she agreed.